Today, we're diving into the dynamic world of auto-scaling groups, ASG, in AWS. What's an auto-scaling group? In the unpredictable world of websites and applications, the load can change at any moment. Auto-scaling groups, ASG, are your dynamic allies in the cloud, adapting to these changes on the fly. The primary goals of an ASG are to scale out, matching increased loads, and scale in, adjusting for decreased demand. ASGs ensure a Goldilocks scenario: not too few, not too many instances, but just the right number. They automatically register new instances to a load balancer and replace unhealthy instances. Embrace the principle of cost savings, running at an optimal capacity to make the most out of cloud resources. Amazon EC2 auto-scaling helps you ensure that you have the correct number of Amazon EC2 instances available to handle the load for your application. You create collections of EC2 instances, called auto-scaling groups. You can specify the minimum number of instances in each auto-scaling group, and Amazon EC2 auto-scaling ensures that your group never goes below this size. You can specify the maximum number of instances in each auto-scaling group, and Amazon EC2 auto-scaling ensures that your group never goes above this size. If you specify the desired capacity, either when you create the group or at any time thereafter, Amazon EC2 auto-scaling ensures that your group has this many instances. If you specify scaling policies, then Amazon EC2 auto-scaling can launch or terminate instances as demand on your application increases or decreases. For example, the following auto-scaling group has a minimum size of 1 instance, a desired capacity of 3 instances, and a maximum size of 6 instances. The scaling policies that you define adjust the number of instances, within your minimum and maximum number of instances, based on the criteria that you specify. In AWS, auto-scaling groups, ASGs, seamlessly collaborate with load balancers to optimize incoming traffic. ASGs dynamically adjust the number of instances based on demand, scaling out during peaks and scaling in during lulls. Load balancers efficiently distribute incoming requests across these instances, preventing bottlenecks and ensuring a smooth user experience. Together, they create a dynamic duo for maintaining high availability and fault tolerance, orchestrating a balanced and responsive cloud infrastructure. Auto-scaling groups, scaling strategies. Manual scaling. Adjust the size of an ASG manually based on your requirements. Dynamic scaling. Respond to changing demand with strategies like simple, step scaling, where you add or remove instances based on CloudWatch alarms. Target tracking scaling. Set a target, such as maintaining an average ASG CPU around 40%, and let AWS dynamically adjust the capacity. Scheduled scaling. Anticipate changes based on known usage patterns. For example, increase the minimum capacity on Fridays at 5 p.m. Predictive scaling. Enter the realm of machine learning, where ASGs use predictive models to anticipate future traffic. This proactive approach ensures the right number of EC2 instances are provisioned in advance, especially handy for load patterns with predictability. Today we are making auto-scaling even more powerful with the addition of predictive scaling. Using data collected from your actual EC2 usage and further informed by billions of data points drawn from our own observations, we use well-trained machine learning models to predict your expected traffic and EC2 usage, including daily and weekly patterns. The model needs at least 1 day of historical data to start making predictions. It is re-evaluated every 24 hours to create a forecast for the next 48 hours. And there you have it, auto-scaling groups, the dynamic heartbeat of scalability in AWS. If you found this overview insightful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more cloud wisdom, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, happy scaling in the cloud.